hindi action na ng Supreme Court yung letter nyo, what will be your next step?
Magpapile ako ng impeachment sa lahat ng justices dahil hindi nila tinutupad ang kanilang tungkulin. Kung hindi nila i-impeach, i-disbar si Sara dahil dito, I will file an impeachment case against all of the justices.
That's enough. Thank you.
Anyway, that's one of the plans. Or kaya hihintayin ko na lang na mag-retire si Chief Justice Gismundo, and then hihintayin ko na lang yung bagong Chief Justice na umupo.
Way the Vice President is behaving as well as the former President's pronouncement, do you regret supporting the Dutertes?
Yes, I really regret.
Why, sir?
Hindi ko na maakalain na ganyan pala sila eh. Yung statements ni Vice President Sara, napaka-immature. Kulang na kulang sa statesmanship. At saka hindi siya nag-aaral. Basta na lang siya nagsasalita ng kagaya doon sa healthcare issues. Hindi siya nag-aaral. Hindi niya chine-check kung ano yung binibigay ng PhilHealth. Yung mga sinasabi niya iba, hindi siya nag-aaral. She is totally detached from reality.